This is a 10-minute slow yoga class where we will be doing some full body yoga moves using this yoga strap with loops. So I do have an affiliate link if you are interested in purchasing this yoga strap with loops. It's got different numbered loops here, so you don't need to manually set the loops. And it's also got a really nice, comfortable, soft grip as well, so that it doesn't dig into the palms of your hands like some of the yoga straps can do. So this is going to be a 10-minute sequence that we'll do. It'll be a full body sequence using this yoga strap. So come to a comfortable seated position on your mat. As always, with yoga, this is your yoga practice. You make the decisions. I make suggestions. You make the decisions. And you always want to make sure that you check with your healthcare provider before starting any sort of health and fitness routines. So come to a comfortable seated position on your mat. Place your hands on your knees. Close your eyes or soften your gaze. Bring awareness to your breath and to your body. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Fill your belly. Fill your ribs. Fill your chest. Pause and exhale, sigh it out. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Fill your belly like a balloon. Expand your ribs. Lift your chest. Pause and exhale, sigh it out. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Fill your belly. Fill your ribs. Fill your chest. Pause and exhale, sigh it out. Continue this deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth throughout your practice. Begin to roll your shoulders one direction, either forward or back. Now go the opposite direction. Maybe take some ankle or wrist circles. Now take your yoga strap with the loops. Find the loops that are comfortable for you to reach your arms up overhead into a V. This shouldn't hurt, it shouldn't be tense, but you might feel a slight stretch in the front of your chest, the front of your shoulders. Deep inhale and exhale. Inhale to lengthen your spine. Exhale, bend over to the right side of your mat. Right arm comes down towards the side of your mat. Left arm reaches up and overhead. Use the strap to really pull the strap apart. We're not just holding on to it. You're trying to pull the strap apart. Inhale, come back through neutral. Exhale, bend over to the left. Use your left arm to bring your right arm up and overhead. Use both hands to pull the strap apart. Inhale, come back up through neutral. Exhale, bend over to the right. Inhale through neutral. Exhale, bend over to the left. Inhale. Exhale, bend over to the right. Inhale. Exhale, bend over to the left. Inhale, come back through neutral. Exhale, release your strap down to your mat. Move your dog out of the way. I'm going to come on to, say, in your seated position, place the strap behind you. Look for the comfortable loops, reaching the strap behind you. And notice how, well, if we can get Cole out of the way here. Notice how I've got the strap about shoulder width distance apart behind me. Open your chest, gaze up towards the ceiling. Inhale. Exhale, hinge forward at your hips. Reach your arms up towards the sky. You might feel this opening your chest. Inhale, come back to seated. Exhale, hinge forward at your hips. Reach your arms up to the sky. Inhale, come back through neutral. Exhale, hinge forward. Press your arms up towards the sky as high as you have yet. Inhale. Exhale, come back up through neutral. Release your strap. Inhale. Extend your legs out long in front of you. Take your yoga strap here. I'm going to use the number 5 setting. My legs are long. I'm 5'10". I'm going to use the number 5 setting here. You can use whatever setting feels good for you. Wrap the strap around the ball of your foot. Bring your left foot in towards your inner thigh. This is a seated tree position. You can hang on to the strap at whatever loop feels most comfortable for you, all right? Inhale, lengthen your spine. Pull the strap in towards your chest, like pull it in towards your chest. Toes are pointed up towards the ceiling. You might have a slight bend in your right knee. Inhale, exhale, hinge forward at your hips until you feel the hamstring stretch. You might feel this in your low back. Toes are pointed up towards the ceiling. Use that strap to keep your toes pointed up towards the ceiling. Inhale, come back to neutral. Exhale, hinge forward over your right knee. Inhale, come back to neutral. Exhale, hinge forward over your right knee. We'll hold here for 3 breaths. Maybe you come a little bit deeper into the fold. Inhale, come back through neutral. Release the strap from your right foot. Extend your left foot out in front of you. Bring your right foot in towards your left inner thigh for seated tree. I'm going to use the number 5 loop here as well. Place the loop around the ball of your foot. Grab onto a loop that's the most comfortable for you. Use the strap to point your toes up towards the sky. Maybe a slight bend in your left knee. Inhale to lengthen your spine. Exhale, hinge forward at your hips until you feel the hamstring stretch. This shouldn't be painful. You shouldn't be holding your breath. If it's too painful, if you're wincing, just relax the stretch a little bit. Inhale, come back through neutral. Exhale, hinge forward at your hips. Inhale through neutral. Exhale, hinge forward at your hips. Inhale through neutral. Exhale, hinge forward. We'll hold here for 3. Maybe come a little bit deeper into the stretch. Maybe even bend your left knee just a little bit more. Use that strap to keep your toes pointed up towards the ceiling. Engage those muscles to keep the toes pointed up. Inhale, come back up through neutral. And exhale, release the strap from your legs. Roll over onto your knees, come up into a standing position. You might use a wall, a chair, something in front of you to help you hold your balance here. This is not a balancing posture, this is a stretch. So take the strap, I'm going to use the number 5 loop again here. Wrap it around your foot and bringing your ankle in towards your glute. Your knees are together here, okay? And then you can use the strap to engage your quad, giving you a nice quad stretch on the front of your leg. Again, this should not be painful. You should not be wincing. If it's stressful, if you're wincing, just release the strap a little bit. That's what's nice about this. You've got a couple different loops that you can choose from. Inhale, exhale, release your foot down to your mat. Now release the strap from your foot. Now place it onto your left foot. I'm going to use the number 5 here again as well. And then you can bring the strap up over your ankle. And then I bring it up over my shoulder. Use the wall for balance or chair, couch, wherever you are. Knees are together for a nice quad stretch. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, release your strap. Release your left leg back down to your mat. This is your 10-minute yoga stretch class using the yoga strap with the loops. This is nice and soft, doesn't dig into your hands, and you got a little different options. You don't have to, change the settings of your loops or anything in the middle of class like you might have to with a regular yoga strap. So really highly recommend this. Check out my link. I've got an affiliate link for you in the description below.